Welcome to Shadowbook, the autonomous AI platform built to run your operations while you sleep. Let's walk through the quick account setup. To get started, head over to the portal and click Sign Up at the bottom of the screen. Creating an account is simple. Just enter your full name, email address, and a secure password. Once your details are filled in, hit Create Account. Step 1 is connecting your official WhatsApp business account. Next, choose your industry category to instantly configure your specialized AI pipeline. Shadowbook adapts to multiple sectors, but for this walkthrough, we will select hospitality. Now, let's configure your hospitality suite. You can seamlessly connect external property management systems like Muse or Apaleo using OAuth 2.0. Alternatively, you can activate the built-in Shadowbook native PMS for a complete all-in-one calendar, housekeeping, and booking engine. Let's toggle it on and finish the setup. Within seconds, your system spins up. Welcome to your main operational dashboard. From here, you can monitor net profits, track AI data extraction rates, review system load, and manage live operations in real time. Your invisible ERP is officially online and ready to scale.